Hey my glam kings, welcome back to my channel. So I am with a new background today. I usually film my Instagram stories and stuff sitting up here, but today I thought of doing it for my YouTube because that place where I usually shoot my haul videos for my YouTube is not a place to sit around. It's very messy and chaotic. It's like this from last 16 days or maybe more. You might have noticed as well because I'm not active on my Instagram. I'm so sorry for it. I didn't meant to do that, but I was not keeping well. I will do one super chatty get ready with me for my YouTube very soon, so keep an eye out for it. I will tell you why my health is not keeping well and everything. I'll share it with you because few of the people are so much attached to me. They keep checking up on me on my Instagram that how are you, what are you doing, why you're not active. I'm so sorry you guys. December is my favorite month. Indian winters are actually fun, especially for Mumbai. It doesn't get too cold, it doesn't get so hot, so I love winters in Mumbai. I don't buy new stuff every year for Pink Friday. I went little cray with my shopping for Pink Friday sale this year. I have also purchased few of my essentials which I was running out. You don't have to buy new stuff. Buy the stuff which you're running out, like your mascara, lipstick, foundation, primers, body lotions, your body washes, hand washes. You can purchase anything you like. This is what usually happens when I sit down in front of camera. I talk to myself because I always feel like that you are on the other side listening me, relating with me. Let me know guys if you have missed me. Please let me in the comment section. It will make me so happy. Before I begin, let me tell you what is on my lips because I will get asked and I will forget. I have lined my lips with Colourpop's chocolate brown lip liner, which is my ultimate favorite. I have been using it from what 6-7 years now, and I have topped it up with this gloss. This is from Essence. It's their Wet Look lip gloss. It's in the shade 10. Dress Up Our Lips. Smells so good. I love the packaging. It's very cute, chubby. It's a beautiful mauve pink shade for your everyday. It's not too thick you guys. It doesn't even stick onto my hair because usually lip glosses does, and I hate that feeling. For my eyelashes, I have used brand new eyelashes. You guys have never tried this brand before. It's from Rufa Beauty. It's in the style Azura. It comes in this kind of packaging. They are mink eyelashes and they were for $7.99. I will mention the link to these eyelashes in the description box just in case if you want to check it out. They are not that expensive like Huda Beauty ones. Okay guys, so I've got two boxes right here. In the brown packaging you get drugstore skincare and makeup, and pink and black box luxury brands. First I'll begin with this box right here. Actually called for more of my essentials. The first product that I have got is Himalaya face wash. Now you guys must have tired of seeing this on my channel so much. Also on my Instagram I talk about this specific face wash a lot. I also love the plain green one which is called I think Neem face wash. This is oil clear lemon face wash. Its original price is 190 rupees and I got it for 146. I'll also try to mention their prices on the screen or maybe in the description box, so do check it out. So then I got this Fiamma Devils refill. It contains 350 ml. I have been using this specific hand wash. It's in the variant grapefruit and bergamot. I love the fragrance of this. Fiamma Devils brand is like our Indian Bath and Body Works, you guys. I love all of their products so much. Especially this hand wash is like my favorite. This was not on discount and it is priced at 70, which is not that expensive. Next thing that I have got, I think you must have seen this in my last Nykaa haul as well. Venus razor from Gillette. I love this. I also got two refill pack. Individually this razor costs rupees 299 and this refill pack costs rupees 350. I paid 350 for the whole. So you can say I paid for the refills and I got the razor free. So the next product, I think I might have shared it in my last Nykaa haul as well. I'm not too sure. I have got another backup of my L'Oreal Casting Creme Gloss. I've got in the shade 300 dark brown and this is originally priced at 550 rupees. I got it for 468 and I think hardly get them on sale. So I think it's a steal. Then I also got, which I have not opened it yet. It's from L'Oreal. It's their Magic Retouch. I've got in the shade dark brown. I use this so much you guys when I'm traveling or also when I don't have got much time to color my hair and stuff. It's priced at 299 rupees but I got it for 254. So it comes in this kind of a spray bottle. You see the nozzle is right here. You have to hold it like this and just spray it. I will show you very soon, maybe on my Instagram or next video on my YouTube, that how to actually use this very precisely. And I love this product. It's really a savior. Okay, so the next product that I want to show you guys is not here with me because I got it for my husband. It's with him. him. L'Oreal Men Expert Beard and Face Moisturizer. It's this one, priced at 499 rupees. If you want to give something to your husband, boyfriend, brother, anyone, your father, you can definitely count on this range. My husband loves this the most. It was for 35% off and I got it for 324. Now let's move on to luxury products that I have got. And if you don't know, then Nykaa luxury products are usually delivered in this pink black packaging. The first product that I want to show you guys is Pastels Rose eyeshadow palette. By far this is my first eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. I know that's very sad, but I have got this before Friday sale, you guys. But anyhow, it's not on discount. This was for 2400, which I know is a little pricey. Full size mirror, and you get 9 eyeshadows. You get 4 shimmery shades. 4 of them are matte. Feel these colors very sophisticated. I don't feel them very out loud. To try this mint shimmery shade. It's very soft and no kickback. Same kind of shade in matte color. Ooh, this is pigmented. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with this. I think I should go with purple, right? Oh my god, they are pigmented, you guys. Generally pastel shades are not as pigmented as they are. I will try this middle purple shimmery shade. I am dying. I cannot wait to play with this. I'm not ruining this shade yet because I want to just film a video for my Instagram. Yeah, I will do it very soon, you guys, don't worry. So the next product is, again, I have got it from Huda Beauty. It's their Power Bullet matte lipstick. This is in the shade Last Night. It's mentioned up here. I think they offer discount on Huda Beauty only once a year or twice a year, I don't know. I didn't want it to miss out because I was dying to try this range out from so long. 1796 is what I paid for this, and it's originally priced at 1995. It comes in this kind of packaging. It's magnetic, and I love that you can see the lipstick shade here. It's given ombre effect up here, and this is the shade. I saw a few shades on others on Instagram. I was expecting it to be like nude brown, but it's very grungy. It's very soft. It lasts for so long. It's very comfortable, you guys. Trying this, mixing it with other shades, but I'm still not happy with how this shade looks on me. If you have tried this color with other shades, let me know. Wishful has finally launched on Nykaa. It's Huda Beauty's skincare line. It's very famous on Instagram. I've seen so many people raving about this scrub, and I was like dying to get my hands on this. I've got the smaller size. It contains 40 ml. This was again not on discount, but you get this sample, YoGlow sample. Tried it on the very day when I got the delivery. I really like it. I went on the site to order a bigger size, and it was already out of stock. This was for 1850, and I love anything with pastel packaging, you guys. Everything mentioned on it is holographic, you see. So it is very light, like you won't even feel like this is a scrub. Have to use it on dry skin. Just have to scrub it like that. It will fold and roll over and take your dead skin out. I tried on the very first day on my hands, and I showed both of my hands to my Mr. Birdie. Can you please excuse us? I showed it on my he also wants to talk, you guys. So I showed it to my husband, and he goes like, wow, there's a massive difference. And you can also see, yeah, so it instantly brightens your skin. So it's very nice. Excuse me, it's very nice if you have some functions to go to use it beforehand. You apply your makeup. It also smells really nice. So the next product is Clinique Moisture Surge. Now guys, if you have been, Mr. Buddy wants to talk, you guys. He also loves this product. He's not even going out from here. The sun is about to set. Leave. Got it in size 30 ml. It also comes in a variety of different sizes. Called for 30 ml because it's quite expensive, let's be real. When I started my YouTube channel, I used to use this moisturizer, which was not that hyped up in Indian market at that time. I'm talking about 4 or 4.5 years back when I started my channel. Love this moisturizer, especially with my glam makeup on. This used to be my primer, and the Hangover X primer. Again, it's very hyped up now, but I was using back then. It makes me very proud that I used to love the products, which was not even talk of the town at that time when I was loving it. Yeah, anyways, so long story short, I purchased it again because I wanted it. 30 ml tub, you get it for 1850. Got 2 things free with this. Small sachet, this purchase, and a full size lipstick, and this is in the shade 01 Nude Pop. Very nude. Let me show you here. It's very creamy, but it's not good for my skin tone, of course, but now I've got it, so I will definitely wear it with my dark lip liners. So the last but definitely not the least product that I have got in this haul, which I was looking forward to buy from, I think, last 5-6 months almost, or maybe more, I don't remember. It's this Laneige Cica sleeping mask. I love sleeping masks from the Origins. Origins is not available in India, and also if you get it from Insta Sailors, again, it's very pricey. I've heard very good things about this sleeping mask. I've read the reviews, the ingredients, everything is really good. This is again very pricey, 2070. This was for 10% off if I'm not mistaken. I was looking forward to get this, and finally I've got it. Oh my god. To get a small applicator, which I think mostly Korean products do give applicators. This is the packaging. Packaging is so stunning. I've not opened it yet. Should I open it? Yeah, I think I should open it with you guys itself. Used all my energy to open this pack. This much I have opened. Oh my god, it's very lightweight, you guys. It has already seeped into my skin. It's not sticky. I love it. Everyone has different skin type, and I think this product will definitely work for me. It feels very good. So I will use it for good, I think 15-20 days, and let you know my thoughts. Got so many freebies with this. So I've got this 4 sachet. There's water sleeping mask. There's tone up cream. There is original ampule essence eye sleeping mask. Then we have also got this travel size products. It's their water bank essence. This is so small, you guys. It contains 10 ml. Packaging is exactly smaller version of bigger bottle. I love this. It's so cute. Also, there is a 10 ml water bank gel cream water sleeping mask. So that is everything, you guys. With this, I finished this Pink Friday sale haul from Nykaa. Let me know, guys, what you have got during the sale. I'm definitely sure you must have purchased as well. I've only got the things which I really wanted to try. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, how you like this haul, and I'll be seeing you very soon in my next one. Cross fingers. Bye. Lots of love and miss you guys.